Looking for the ultimate beachside retreat in Altinkum? Welcome to Aquasis Deluxe Resort and Spa, a 5-star haven of luxury and relaxation. Nestled along the stunning coastline, this resort offers breathtaking sea views, private villas, and premium accommodations designed for comfort and elegance. Dining here is a treat, with a variety of gourmet restaurants serving international and local delicacies, ensuring a delicious experience for every guest. For those looking to unwind, the world-class spa offers rejuvenating treatments, while multiple pools and a private beach provide endless relaxation and fun. Entertainment and activities abound, from water sports to live performances, making it an excellent choice for families and couples alike. Guests love the luxurious ambience and excellent service, though some mention that reservations for certain restaurants can be in high demand during peak seasons. Would you stay at Aquasis Deluxe Resort and Spa? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews.